May nature catch me as I rise. There is a space between the leaves where shadows pass the evergreen, where benevolent creatures hide, yet unready for tremendous wing. When thou dost fly, here bellow crafty gestures rise upon the castles in the sky, magical and free, through the softness of 1,000 petals lie. Let it be. Birdsong showering an endless span, Serendipity raises its gentle hand. A knowing glance, a timeless bow, oh, such a vivid sight, no doubt. Forever translucent as only a memoir endowed, wistfully plain as black and white. A sundance follows the blessed rain, the sacred sky blooms an opening gate, unveiling the beauty of the moon amidst the shimmering, starry night. Oh, may the angels up above show mercy upon my beating heart. This is thy stillness that captures the naked soul, no ounce left unseen, open, raw, and everything in between. May nature catch me as I rise, surrendering to the heights of 1,000,000 glorious deaths.